Hello, my name is Howard, and this is my introduction to engineering project, the Smart Chess. I'm gonna go through the story behind my project, objective of said project, the concept, development process, how it looks, and components it contains, and challenges faced. Origins of my project is after I was told to think of an idea, I went home and played Minecraft because I was procrastinating. Then I saw the chess, and I thought, wow, that's pretty interesting. Because if there's a block on top of the chest, it doesn't open. So why not do this as my project? And that's what I did. So the objective of the smart chest is that it's able to warn the user that there's a structure or object like blocking the lid of the chest from opening. And then yeah, so with design, it adapts from the shape and design for Minecraft. It is a box, it's a cube that's hollow and it opens. And the concept is that there will be a sensor on top of it to check if there's anything that can potentially obstruct it. If it does, or it doesn't open. Yeah. And development process, if you start the program, it will wait for the user to press the button. It detects a button press, it will check if the sensor detects anything. If it does, buzzer will buzz, red LED will light up for 1 second, and back to the first step. And then if it does pass the sensor where it doesn't detect anything, the lid will open and the green LED will light up. And it will wait for another button press. If the button is not pressed, well, it will continue being open and the green LED will continue being light up. And then if it does get pressed, while the lid closes, green LED turns off. And the whole thing repeats itself, so you don't have to constantly run the program for it to work. This is the circuit photo. The photo on the left is the Arduino, and the photo on the right is the underside of the lid. Over here, you can see the button that the user has to press. This is the buzzer. That's a red LED. You can't really see it as well as a green LED because there's a lot of wires, but it's there. You see this thing? This thing? Yeah, that's the LEDs. The IR sensor, it's just IR sensor. And this motor is what's gonna open the lid. Wow, who knew? Anyways, um, challenger, you know what the challenges? The first challenge, right? Trying to figure out where to connect each component on the Arduino that corresponds with the code. Which brings the second challenge. I'm dumb, I don't know how to code, so there's a lot of errors, whether it's syntax or logic error. I solve the syntax, there's logic error. I solve the logic error, there's syntax error. And it's such a pain. And then finding the materials to build the chest, oh, it took so long because it's very hard to find quality cardboard. And then also I was told not to do anything permanent to the components. So what I can do is very limited. But yeah, I I I made it. So yippee! This slide is empty. I'm supposed to put the recording there. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you. Yay.